Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, Growing Legacies, and Riva University.
An arrested preacher, a banker, a terror preacher on the run, a fugitive cheat in Antigua, and a financial fraud accused. My question to you is, what do these four scamsters, frauds, have in common except an interest in money laundering? Well, ladies and gentlemen, all four donated large amounts of money to two trusts run by Sonia Gandhi. And now they have been exposed. Let's debate.
PNB scam accused Mehul Choksi. Yes Bank scam accused Rana Kapoor. Hate preacher Zakir Naik. NSCL scam accused Jignesh Shah. They have two things in common. First common link, the money laundering charge that each of them face. And second, their donations to two Sonia Gandhi run trusts. The Enforcement Directorate investigation against three trusts run by the Gandhi Vadra family has thrown up some sensational details. Between the years 2013 and 2015, Rajiv Gandhi Foundation took 10 lakh rupees from a shell company founded by Mehul Choksi, who's now hiding in Antigua. The Enforcement Directorate has evidence that Rana Kapoor has diverted close to 9.45 lakh rupees from Yes Bank funds to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation in the year 2016. Jignesh Shah is another financial fraud accused whose links to the Congress party are now under scanner. His 50 lakh rupee donation to Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust in 2011 has raised questions of quid pro quo. And this check is proof that hate preacher Zakir Naik paid 50 lakh rupees to Sonia Gandhi's trust 5 years before he fled the country.
जाकिर नाइक के फाउंडेशन का नाम है इस्लामिक रिसर्च फाउंडेशन, IRF. ये इस्लामिक रिसर्च फाउंडेशन जो IRF है, ये PMLA के अंतर्गत इसके ऊपर जांच चल रही है, ये सब आप जानते हैं. इसने 8 जुलाई 2011 को इस IRF ने 50 लाख रुपए RGF को डोनेट किए, ये भी आप जानते हैं.
So what proceeds of crime diverted to the Gandhi family trust was dirty cash parked in organizations headed by Sonia Gandhi in the name of charity? Was there a secret deal between these alleged scamsters and the UPA for protection? Let's debate.
I mean, if I can have the guest, please, on the left. Thank you. I mean, Vivek Srivastava, I want to ask you, Surendra Chauhan, what is the desperation? Take money from anyone. Is it Madhu Kishwar? What do we learn here? Mehul Choksi gives money, take it. Zakir Naik gives money, take it. Don't let anyone go. Jignesh Shah gives money, take it. GVK Group gives money, take it.
See, you should appreciate the approach.
Why should I appreciate it, Ratan Sharda?
Because they are so secular.
Yeah.
They take from everybody. There is no discrimination.
Okay.
There is no discrimination, yes. So whether you are whatever religion, whatever creed, whatever kind of corruption, Mr. Vivek, can you just allow me to complete?
Vivek, you will
Don't
debate, but
jump
after
in.
Ratan, please, you'll have an
Let me
open debate.
complete. My question is...
Let him speak. No, after that you
see,
can
my
say
question is Rahul Gandhi today talked about organized sector and disorganized, unorganized sector about economy. So does he consider RGF and the Congress various family institutions as organized or unorganized? He has looted organized sector and so that unorganized sector can be looted by these organized people. All these people have discriminately been donating to Congress foundations.
The people from whom
why you talk of Congress? I will talk of BJP later.
The BJP
I am not talking of BJP. Are you agent of Congress? Please talk of Communist Party, which took money from Russia, which took money from China. Don't talk of Congress. Talk of your Communist Party.
Where is
talk
your
of
list
your
products?
Communist Party,
How do
which
you
took
fund your
money
election campaigns?
from Russia,
Where is the
from
list?
China,
Where
for
is the
years
list of
together.
your donors?
They made money out of magazines.
You are not
They made
transparent.
money out of every possible
Forget China,
source.
Russia,
They had Radio
Bangladesh,
Tashkent
Africa,
campaigning for them.
Africa.
So talk about
Talk
Communist
about
Party.
BJP,
Forget about
National Party.
BJP.
Your
Talk
organization.
about your Communist Party.
Prime Minister belongs to the
I am
BJP.
talking of your
Where is
Communist
the list of
Party.
donors?
The urge of Congress
आपकी website
to be
पे
so
donation
socialist
देने वालों की
that they were
list
looting
क्यों
the
नहीं है?
rich to also
आप क्या
loot the
छुपा रहे
poor.
हैं?
That is the
So
story
many
of
big
Congress.
businessmen give you money.
So you talk about Congress,
Your
which
election
makes
campaign
such a
is
poor
15,000
impression.
crore. Somebody
which
says
talks about
25,000
the
crore.
Congress
But
now,
where does the
which
money
was
come
burnt.
from?
But Vivek,
Where is the list of
Vivek,
donors? Why is it not transparent?
People.
Why is Vivek, it not on your website? allow me. You see, Vivek, one second. First of all, Surendra Chauhan will now
Yeah.
debate with Madhu Kishwar. And I think what we need to debate on are words such as shame. You see, Surendra Chauhan, there must be a sense of shame. Now, what happens is, every money laundering accused, Surendra Chauhan, allow me to complete, you will speak and then Madhu will respond. So don't be in any hurry, okay? Don't be in any hurry.
Go ahead.
Okay, because if you are in a hurry, then what happens is you make a move and then you end up coming back to the same rat hole which you ran away from. You know, look at what happened to Sachin Pilot. Now my question is this. Every money laundering accused scamster is giving money to Sonia Gandhi's foundation. Okay, Mehul Choksi. His company, Naviraj Estates, nothing but a shell company, donates to large amounts of money to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Why would Sonia Gandhi back channel money from a shell company into the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation? Now the question will emerge, was this quid pro quo
Very well
for the fact that Choksi was given more than 1,550 crores from a single bank during the UPA term? So Choksi is taking money from a single bank and giving back a little bit to Sonia. So is there any shame?
So was it a
Or is there no
simple
shame?
question to Arnab Goswami?
My question is there
Arnab.
any shame?
Very good, very good. Shame or no shame? Now, shame or no shame, you answer to the nation when Mehul Choksi gives 24 lakhs from his Gitanjali Gems to Sonali Jaitley and Jayesh Bakshi. Was it a quid pro quo for the finance minister Arun Jaitley, the then finance minister?
So first of all, I will tell you one thing.
Save him
No,
from
no, no.
the
First
ED
of all, I will
in
tell you one thing.
2017?
No.
Yes.
First of all.
No, please,
First of all,
answer to the nation.
no. I'll tell you one thing. No, Surendra Chauhan, when I tell you to stop, you stop. Two things I'll tell you. Now, you'll have to listen to my very clear response to what you're saying. Just a minute, please. Let me take my time.
Yes.
MR Venkatesh is on the debate. Now, the fact is, MR, that I think that to attack a deceased person, you have to be a terrible coward, which
I'm not
our
attacking,
friend
I'm
Surendra
attacking
Chauhan has
his
shown.
daughter.
Second point, since he
I
has
am
made the
attacking his daughter,
allegation,
he is not a coward.
since he has made
You
the
people have
allegation
been
right here,
accusing
right now,
Pandit Nehru from
he will
last so many
produce the
years.
evidence.
Pandit Nehru is alive.
Right here, right now, he will produce the evidence.
Take your convenience.
I
You
produced
people,
evidence that Nehru spied on
entire life you have been
Netaji.
accusing
You
Pandit
produce
Nehru.
evidence for what you said. Show me the paper now. We are waiting. Show me the paper.
Yes, Gitanjali.
Show me the paper. Show me your
Gitanjali
evidence.
Gems.
Hard
It is
papers.
there.
Hard
It is there
evidence.
in the news.
You show me your evidence.
It is there.
Don't pick up
It
your
is
phone
there.
and wave it
On
like a
papers,
fool.
on papers.
You please show
Google
me
it
the
out.
evidence.
Google it out.
No. I don't believe in Google.
So why
I
should
want
we
the
Google?
papers from
Google
your
it out.
lawyer. Talk
The
sensibly.
evidences are not in Google.
He has no evidence.
You have to give it.
Yes, so
Sir,
I'm
first thing-
showing
He
you.
has no
I'm showing
evidence.
you.
No.
Arnab,
MR, he has no evidence.
Arnab.
We
No,
have
no.
every evidence.
MR, he has no evidence. MR, corner him. He has no evidence.
Yes.
MR,
Yes,
corner
yes,
him. He has no evidence.
Every
Sir,
evidence
sir,
is there.
that is
Every
right.
evidence is there.
Sir,
MR, he has no
sir,
evidence.
I also have a cell phone, sir. I can also show this and say that I got all the evidence in my cell phone. Let us not make a caricature of this.
Don't show me. Don't show me. Just fiddle it and just look, search it.
Sir, please don't dishonor a person who is no longer there. Debating, sir. You are doing a greatest dishonor on this planet. Please stop it.
When we
Audio is
talk,
not clear.
when we talk about
Sir, if you are here,
former
sir,
prime
do finish,
minister,
sir. Yes, sir.
we are talking against the deceased person. When you talk
Arey,
about
sir,
Pandit
nobody
Nehru,
takes seriously.
you're
So
talking
now
about
listen.
a alive person.
Now, 1 minute, gentlemen, one after the other. Okay.
Man,
Thank
sir,
you. Respond.
Sir, let me tell you, sir, you can have 100 differences with Mr. Jaitley on politics, not on his integrity. The man lived by his integrity, and you did not find a little problem till he
It is
died.
here, it
So
is
I
here,
would
just
rather
see
advise
this.
you, sir, I
Just
would
see
advise,
this.
sir, I would advise you, sir, I would
Louder,
advise
louder,
you,
louder.
and because I would advise you to keep
I
shut for a
don't
simple
even need-
reason.
I
So
don't need your advice.
fair
I
name-
don't need your advice.
Sir, you
Just
are
simply
tarnishing the fair
answer
name of a
what
person.
for
Audio is
Sonali
not there.
Jain
So now,
paid 24 lakhs
under
rupees
this
to
gentleman
Sonali
has to
Jaitly
stop
and Jay
because it is
Bhaktipha.
going below hitting
They were
Johnny Bell.
Thank you.
defending him before the ED. And it is
Better now.
Minister was the then
Surendra Chauhan, be quiet now.
Because several of us have pointed out career on the basis of what Jaitley was as a senior advocate.
Can't
All had held him as a role model. You have a difference of all this politics. I will have nothing to say on that. But please don't raise a little finger on his integrity. That too many is not there. So let us keep it at this point. Now let us.
Sir, your audio is not clean, MR. I'll try and change you to another channel. It came in between, but I'm sorry. Till I get you on the other channel because you're not being heard. Tom Vadakan is on the debate. Tom Vadakan of the BJP. Question is, none of these four people are willing to answer a specific question of mine. Why is Sonia Gandhi taking money from Zakir Naik? Elementary question. What is the reason Sonia Gandhi is taking money from Zakir Naik? Yes, please. You know. You were in the Congress then, so yes.
I'll tell you. There was a gentleman who was appointed by Sonia Gandhi in the.
And this man carried files on day-to-day basis to 10 Janpath. What those papers contained were intelligence reports, they were IB reports, they were reports that that the government only should know. This was the third eye watching all these details. So she was more than aware of the activities of this rogue gallery. I repeat, she was more than aware of this rogue gallery's activity. Whether it is Mehul Choksi, Rana Kapoor, Jignesh Shah, Zakir Naik, GVK group, she was fully aware. I was on television trying to defend the Zakir Naik issue on behalf of the Congress party. And what was I briefed? That the money, as soon as it came, was returned by a return check, and that the matter ended there. But what was the reality? How long was the money with them? I mean, these are realities today. I came out in public domain and said falsehood on behalf of the Congress party.
Let him complete, please.
That it was.
So now it is not
returned
convenient.
Let him complete, please.
Nothing of that sort happened. So what are you talking about? They were aware of the intelligence reports. They were aware of the activities of these gentlemen. And despite that, this rogue gallery collected money, and
Now,
they
if
collected
you've
money
completed,
under the
can I rebuttal?
foundation. So everything is fair in this kind of an activity. They did what.
You're saying,
I don't
Tom, that
think
she
any
knew
part of
personally.
the country or history of this
You're
country
saying,
has
Tom,
seen.
that she
This
knew
is
personally.
pure
She knew the money coming in.
laundering. And
Yeah,
money
I'll respond.
mysteriously picked up for their. It was a pure cover-up operation, Arnab, to cover up all their activities. They were paying a bribe. I should clearly state it was a bribe to cover up the operation
what is
of
right
these
now?
rogue
Yeah.
operations. And we spokesmen were coming on television, putting our neck out, day out and day night, and saying this falsehood. Because we were briefed that no, everything was honky-dory. That was the reality. If you know anything about the Congress, I know 30 years of it I spent
Now,
defending these
Tom,
kind
if you
of
are done, can I
characters.
respond to you? I have understood your question.
Yes,
Can
and
I
Madhu
make my
Kishwar will
point now,
respond
Tom?
after you. Thank you.
Tomji, it is very convenient.
Manaswi will speak and Madhu will respond. I'm
Can
just
I
laying
speak,
the order
Madhu?
out. I'm having. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One second, Manaswi. Madhu, let Madhu listen to what you're saying.
So Congress have got their answer. Whenever the opposition or Congress would ask
No,
a
you
question
answer the
on
question. Have you come to
employment,
give a
on China,
speech or have you
on
come to
economy?
answer a
So what
question?
would the
Hello,
answer
sir.
would be? Rajiv
Hello,
Gandhi Foundation,
Manasvi.
Rajiv Gandhi
No, I'll
Charitable
take you off air if
Trust,
you don't
Indira Gandhi
listen.
Charitable
No,
Trust.
Manasvi, you have to listen to a question. The problem with you is you believe that life is your class 5 elocution competition. It's not. Grow up. This is my show and you will answer questions. If you have elocuted something in your mind and you want to vomit it on my program, it's not my issue. My fact is, under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act,
So
proceeds of crime of 193 crores.
This is the first kind
For
of
God's
democracy
sake, listen,
where
I'm telling you to
cannot ask
stop
the
your
government which you have
elocution
elected.
competition. Don't irritate me. Under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, proceeds of crime of 193.06 crores PMLA were generated and laundered in contravention to provisions of PMLA by Zakir Naik. Zakir Naik receives proceeds of crime of 49.2 crore right after making cushy donations to Sonia Gandhi. So the link I am drawing is this, and any court of law will draw the link. He gives a lot of money. I'm told 500 crore rupees he just gives like that, or one day he gets up and he gives money to Sonia Gandhi. Immediately after, now when does he give the money? 2011. When does the proceeds of crime get received? 2012, 13, 14. What does this mean? You give some money to Sonia Gandhi, then you cheat and loot the nation. That is the issue. If you can answer it specifically, if you want to do a class 5 elocution competition, don't do it.
Obviously.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Politics is
So,
not a
so
game.
we
Politics
have to
is
ask
just
questions to the
pro-food.
Sarkar, or
So
we don't have to
naturally
ask.
give donations.
If Congress is wrong, the special ED director is probing it. But when we ask questions on specific points on China or economy, no answers are given. So they have a diversionary tactic.
Are you out of your mind? Is the enforcement directorate looking at China?
Bring in Nehru Gandhi.
Is the
anyone. You bring in
enforcement
Kamala
directorate
Nehru,
looking-
But that does not solve the
No,
problems
listen
of
to-
today.
listen
You
to-
have to answer on China. You don't want to answer on China. You want to bring in the foundations. Bring in the foundation. Arrest and probe everyone. But answer specific questions on economy also. Answer specific questions on China face-off also. But you don't want to answer that.
Hello.
The BJP is
Are
very
you completely out of your
conveniently,
mind or
when the
partially out
question
of your mind?
China is asked, they go back to the foundation.
What was
They
my
go back to the
question?
charitable trust.
What was my
You arrest
question?
them.
Somebody
July
remind
8th,
this.
the
Somebody
special
remind this
ED
man.
appointed. Arrest them.
Somebody.
What is the status?
Viewers, save me from this person. Somebody remind him what my question was. My question was, Madhu, proceeds of crime was carried
The
out.
donation happened in
Proceeds of crime
2011.
was received by Zakir Naik after he gave money to Sonia, which means after giving money to Sonia, he had the Congress party's protection. You gave money to Sonia and you got the Congress party's protection. Congress party provides protection if you give money to Sonia.
We don't know who is donating.
Okay, you don't know.
What is electoral bonds?
Madhu
We don't know who's
Kishwar.
donating.
Okay, let me.
Non-corporates are donating.
Or
We
no.
want a clean
Madhu Kishwar is responding.
Out is electoral bonds. But we will never take out electoral bonds.
Hello. I really wish people would understand, Congress persons would understand that they are not only being battered, that on TV battles, TV debates intelligently. They only come to filibuster. They only come to disrupt the conversation and outshout everybody whenever some point is made. There's no point. You have to think of your party and rescue it from the morass. Don't add to its problems by talking so irresponsibly. Or not, the bare fact is this, that Sonia Gandhi, this family, had a share in every scamster's loot. And in fact, every chief minister is treated like an ATM by the Gandhi family. They have to provide her a monthly suitcase. It's a fact. Everybody in the Congress knows it.
Madhu
They even
Kishwarji,
talk
totally
about
I
it.
agree to your point.
How?
This donation was of 2011. After that, 6 years, BJP was in power. But they bring it out suddenly in 2020. I don't say they should not probe. They should probe.
I want Madhu to speak because I cannot have an audio disturbance, and I'm requesting you, since you have forfeited your right to answer a question, you let her speak.
Or not. or not, my request to you is, just as you led the investigations in the Sushant Singh Rajput murder case,
Why
you
doesn't she
led
comment upon the transparency of the
investigations
BJP for a
one
change?
second. Similarly, what you need to do is give this country a white paper on the many plans of this family.
इतने सारे लोगों से donations लेकर के
today
BJP
So we don't need a special director of ED now, which has been appointed by the Home Ministry. We don't need them. Since 9 years, nothing was a problem.
Sonia Gandhi
Suddenly the funding of foundation is a problem and electoral bonds, mind you, electoral bonds is not a problem.
Madhu Kishwar.
61% of BJP's funding of 1,000.
Madhu, your audio is also terrible. I don't know why I have so many audio issues today, but I'd like to try with I'd like to try. It's better. Yeah, just hold it. Yes, please. Close it. Hold it very close to you. Take off your pieces. Speak to your phone. Yes.
Okay, is that better?
Much better. Yes, yes, yes. Speak to your phone. Yes.
Okay, what I'm saying is that just as you led the whole investigation in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, it never would have gone this good but for the interest you took and you led it. Similarly, I think you should plan to bring out a white paper for the country on the many scams of this family, because Sonia Gandhi had a share in the loot of every scamster, every thug in the country, every illegal act, and every chief minister.
Talk sense, Madhu Kishwar, talk sense.
And what is electoral
I'm
not
saying
accused
it
without any evidence.
Madhu is speaking for herself. Let her speak.
Heavenly Foundation.
Stop heckling her, three of you.
Let me add 2 points.
Madhu, continue.
Points to it. See, just as in the National Herald case, what was the party property, they tried to transfer it into their personal property. Similarly, with the IDMCA land, acres and acres of land in Lutyens, Delhi, they tried to convert it into personal property. It was stopped at the bud at the last.
Asaram Bapu,
Similarly,
kindly go and see the video of the Lord on YouTube. In his younger days. Does that make Mr. Narendra Modi an accomplice?
I'd like Ratan Sharda also to come in now. 1 second. It's clear that it is quite clear to me that she has provoked you. Now, my question is, Ratan Sharda, my question is this, that nobody, you see, I'll give you a fact. No, Ratan Sharda, you are now debating with Anirban. I'm marking who's speaking out so that we can all hear each other. GVK Airport Foundation. And I really hope that the first person to answer a question. GVK Airport Foundation. Anirban, let me do an audio test with you. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clear.
Okay. Now listen to the question. Very important, okay? GVK Airport Foundation has been consistently making donations to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation run by Sonia Gandhi from 2010-11 to 2016-17. The GVK group is being investigated by the Enforcement Directorate in the CBI for siphoning of funds of 700 crores of Mumbai Airport from the year 2011-12. So the siphoning happens around the same time. So the siphoning, cheating, looting happens, whatever it is, around the same time or just before or just after you give money to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Which means if you want to do a scam in India, and Sonia Gandhi is anywhere in power, first go and give some, donation to her. Then you can do what the hell you want. You realize, whether you are Zakir Naik or any, just go and give some money, and then you can do what you want. Anirban, if you can give me a focused reply, I'll be very grateful. Very grateful.
I can. I mean, these donations that we are speaking of have been revealed by the RGF themselves. They have revealed it in their brochure, in their reports, audit reports, whatever they might be.
These were in the public domain. Mr. Anirban, they have not done any favor by exposing them. It is not a favor, it is part of income tax returns. Don't tell me that did us a favor by telling from where the donations came.
Please don't behave like chameleons.
Are you saying that RGF did us a favor by declaring their list of donors?
No, it's not a favor. I mean, where is the details of PM CARES fund? You have the guts to reveal.
Do you have the guts to reveal the details of
But you lost the case in the Supreme Court.
1 year is over. You will have their audited list when the year is over. You are asking questions when even 1 year is not over or the returns are not filed. There is no audit yet. You are talking for answers. Please answer that which is already there. Answer how the charcoal paintings of your Lord Didi were sold. Charcoal paintings worth crores of rupees with scam accused like Sharda. You are telling me that it is never for favor? Mr. Anirban, politics is not a charity. Remember, politics is not a charity. Politics, there is always quid pro quo. If you sell charcoal painting for crores, you are giving something to scam accused. When you take away land, when you take away donations, you are giving them Abhay Dan. You are giving them airports to loot the people. You are giving them a platform to spread venom. So no donation is ever free.
All I am asking for is that you are all getting outraged because I am asking for accountability. What I am saying is, who runs the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation? Sonia Gandhi. Her party is questioning PM Cares. But then I have proof that she is taking money from Mehul Choksi. What moral right does she have? A person who takes money from Mehul Choksi and Zakir Naik, that kind of person, what right do they have to ask anyone? So this Priyanka Vadra is the executive trustee of RGF, which means that she controls it.
The director of PM Care. It is not
Arnab Goswami, PM Care Fund is a public fund.
Life president of the foundation.
It is not a private fund.
What did the Supreme Court?
It is not a private charitable
Why
trust.
are you singing in the Jack and Jill tone?
Rajiv Gandhi Foundation is an NGO.
You come to power, you become the head of PM Cares Fund.
Rajiv Gandhi Foundation is a NGO.
Lifetime, the Gandhi family. You become the chairman when you are prime minister. As simple as that. Not like Rajiv Gandhi, if you are not in power, still control Nehru Museum. You will still continue Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. You will be life member of every kind of committee that is possible. PM Care Fund is not like that. You are a
If anything is illegal running this museum, what you people are doing from last 6 months, 6 years. 6 years BJP government is there in the center. What is preventing you people? Why not to take an action? Because you can't do it.
Removed all favor seekers.
You have nothing. You are now concealing it. PM Care Fund. It's a public fund. You getting money from public.
Okay, so here's the question. Look, let's consider how dangerous this is. Let's consider. People are asking me how is this dangerous or not. Let me explain. Let me explain, viewers. Whether you are a right winger, an India winger, a left winger, or a pseudo. Let me give you a reason why it's dangerous. You see Tom Vadakan, P. Chidambaram dismisses the allegations against Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. I can understand why. Because Mr. Chidambaram, I want to know something. If the day you are exhausted with the puff pieces being done for you on your friendly channels, you have the guts to face me, you can. My first question to you will be, Mr. Chidambaram, though I don't usually give out questions, but for you I will, because then I want to expose you by asking you 20 questions on TV. Were you on the board of trustees of Rajiv Gandhi Foundation? Were you, Chidambaram? And now that you spent some time in detention, you should be very careful about your answers. Were you on the board of trustees of the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation when Islamic State, ISIS supporter and terrorist Zakir Naik donated large amounts of money? Which means indirectly you took money from Zakir Naik.
The moment
now, did you do any due diligence or did you forget? You cannot forget doing due diligence because you have a career as a corporate lawyer. So you would do due diligence, which means that you did due diligence and you took the money. Tom?
No. What about the lovely interactions of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi with Asaram Bapu? What about the regular
Asaram
visits of
Bapu was
Narendra
put in
Modi?
jail.
You Asaram Bapu
He's still in jail when Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister. Asaram Bapu is in jail. What the hell are you talking about?
What kind of statements he need to from Singapore?
Asaram Bapu is in jail.
Asaram Bapu kya kya kar rahe
Unlike
hain?
you, he did not once or not been sent to a hill station.
Mehul Choksi.
Donations keep
When is
coming.
BJP going to arrest Nirav Modi?
No, what does this talk about the character of Mr. Narendra Modi?
You
The
don't want
present
to
Prime
arrest
Minister
anyone.
used to be
You just
touching the
want to
feet of
come
Asaram
speculate
Bapu,
and show that
dancing with Asaram Bapu,
Yeah, but it's good.
singing with Asaram
He
Bapu.
put him in jail. Madhu Kishwar is on the way. Madhu Kishwar responding. 2 minutes on the debate, please. Madhu.
Just a moment, just a moment.
For God's sake,
Just a
my
moment.
appeal to you is COVID hand.
Modi
Have some mercy on your own party. Please learn to represent your party with some dignity. When you behave like this manner, no idea, drawing more and more names in the puppet of the Congress party. It deserves better even in its retrofit state. It deserves better defense than the kind you give it.
Tom, last word to Tom.
बड़े बड़े इलेक्शन के फंड पैसा कहाँ से आता है? बताओ किस फंड लेते हो? ये 20-20
Arnab, these men are into purely diversionary tactics today. What has Asaram got to do with it? He's rotting in jail. And if these people are raising up the question of Asaram and other issues, they have no grain to stand on. They have no ground to argue. They have no. This man from the left, who is a recipient of money from China, his energy is being wasted on television. And why are you
and ladies and gentlemen, we are tracking this closely. We are going to track this closely, but today it's also important to mention and that another bank has gone bust.